How to insert a video clip after a split with CapCut video editor. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application. And as you can see here, I have inserted a video, already imported a video, and in order to split it, simply tap on the video clip and press split, and after that tap on the plus icon and then add a video like this. Simply tap on add. Now as you can see, the video is added in the last section, but if you want to place it before the split, what you can do is, let me shorten the video first to make it easier. So then in this split section over here, simply put this video in the middle of these two clips and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.